Okay, so last week on Southern Cross, the great outdoors, I was on a 5-day camping mission in my boat with my dog Lucy. We were camping on a little island near Bali, then we went over to the islands about 30 kilometres away, stayed a night there, then we were back to Bali to hang out for the last couple of days of the 5-day adventure. Anyway, let's get right into that now. Just coming in from a day of fishing, didn't get much. It's been a pretty shitty day, had a good sleep, and now I'm heading over and set up camp for the night. It's just about dark. Okay, hope we can make it in before dark. Alright, so I'm all set up in the boat, got the canopies down, got my air mattress blown up, and I've spotted a heap of little prawns and shit. So I'm going to get the scoop net and my headlamp and yeah, see if I can get some prawns. I don't know whether you can see with this headlamp. I've only got the head strap for the camera, so I'm sort of holding it, so it's a bit of a nuisance. But there's shitloads of little prawns and clams and shit like that around here. So I'm going to have a bit of a scoop and see what I can get. If you just look around, you can see their eyes glow red, and that's when you scoop him up. Alright, there's one. Alright, I'll keep going. I'll get back to you when I get a handful, enough for a bit of a feed. Alright, they're everywhere, little prawns. It's a bit murky, but I've got one, so I'll get more. Alright, check out that. Turn this headlamp off, I've got the light in the boat. No, can't see nothing. Anyway, these cockles, I've got a heap of them. About half a dozen of them or something. But look at all them prawns, got friggin' heaps. Took ages, but hey. Alright, heaps of little prawns. Alright, get back to you when I've boiled them up. We'll have a feed. You. Stoked. Okay. Got some salt water, got the little gas cooker going. Whoops, I haven't got the legs up. Oh shit. Okay, just got the water boiling, just going to throw these prawns in and boil them for about 4 or 5 minutes. Got a fair few, enough for a sanger there. Look at that. Yummo. Alright, I'll get back to you when they're cooked. Let's cool them down with a bit of seawater. Let them cool down. Beautiful. Yummo, feed and half. Wow, I don't know whether you can hear that flying. And I got all the canopies closed in the boat. It's just thunder full on. It's pissing down rain. So anyway, I'm stuck here. I can't really go anywhere because of the tide, so I just got to sit it out. At least I'm dry for now. That was hectic. There was just lightnings all around. It's pissing out. I think it might have stopped now. I friggin' hope so. I haven't even eaten my prawns yet. Still over here. It was just pissing out too much and too hectic. The wind was blowing the boat around. It was banging into the shore and kept having to move it. Anyway, that's all part of it. Alright, time to hook in. To me lovelies, look at them. Yo, just waiting. Prawn time. Wow, these prawns are good. Got to sit here and peel them, but there's nothing better than seafood you caught yourself. Bloody beautiful. Alright, I'm going to hook into these. And that's me dinner. Yeah, I've just been sitting out here, the rain stopped, it's just dead glassy, beautiful, eh? There's a massive lightning storm out to sea. And yeah, It's just great. Sitting here so peaceful. Okay, day 5. We're just having another troll. Haven't had much luck trolling the last 2 days. Last night I went fishing about midnight and I got a coral trout. So I got little trout. Later on we'll go in and cook that up. It's probably only about 9 o'clock in the morning. I've been trolling around for 2 hours already. Haven't got anything at all. Been doing big circles about 10 kilometres out and around. There's just nothing. So I might head on into my little island, get a fire going, cook up a feed. What a day, nice day. There's a lot of small boats right out in the middle of nowhere. We're talking about 15 k's out. Wonder what they're catching. Anyway, that's about it. Just keep persevering and troll slowly back into the port, into the island. We'll camp out there, I think. Alright. And this is just what happens about 20 times a day. Just hook up a bit of plastic. Stops the action of your lure swimming properly and it's all over. Okay. Oh, I gotta watch it in here. Once before I got a lure in my petrol line and I think he's dead. You cark it, mate. I think he shit himself and carked it. Anyway, got him right through the eye, the poor bastard. Anyway, I'll give him to one of the locals. They'll like that. Okay. I'm going to get this thing back out. Try to get something a bit bigger. Now we can. No? Yeah, Emil. Yeah. Let's give the young lady a fish, a little mackerel. I like that. Alright, get a little fire going. Cook up that trout I got this morning. Thing about trout, they've more or less got no scales on the tiny little scales. Anyway, that's good enough. It's going straight on. Anyway, got that fish on there. Slowly cook it, plenty of time. Should be hot enough, I'd say. There's enough heat coming out of that. Look at that. Wow, it's going to be a feed. I've got one little lime, no salt, no nothing, but anyway, a little there. I'm starving, haven't had breakfast yet. So this is going to be a hell feed. Oh, can't wait. Look at that. Looks like it's ready. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Check out this. That is awesome. Let's peel that skin off. Look at that. Look at that. Just comes off like a big flake. Oh, look at that. Mate, that is a feed fit for a king. Look at it. It's beautiful flaky. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm so hungry because I haven't eaten all day. Mate, it's just done to perfection. Look at that. Oh, a bit of salt would be nice. I've normally when I got no salt, just scrape the top of my solar panels on my boat. I'm normally covered in salt. You normally get enough for food. Oh yeah, that's good. Head, not even going to bother eating the cheeks and all that crap. Go for fish food. when you're hungry, tastes twice as good. So good. Look at that. Mm. Ah! So hot. It's massive chunks of meat. Get rid of them bones up the backbone. Look at that. Oh. Oh. I am one happy chappy. Oh. Oh. I didn't think I'd eat it all, it'd be too much, but we'd probably eat 2 on that hungry. Oh. That's so good. Smoky tasting. Oh mate, you don't get any friggin' better than that. Fresh, caught a couple of hours ago. Oh, and that's it. Look, I've got this wing here. Chew on that. Get rid of them big bones out of there. Look at that, mate. Look at that. It's a big chunk. And that's it. That's me done. Well, I'll sit down here, smash a drink. Oh, it's nearly dead eye tired. The boat's just sitting there. Might blow up the air mattress and just have a bit of a snooze after that. Bloody beautiful. Okay. Well, a little bit of foam I found on the beach. Sitting up here, the boat's out there. The wind's dying off. Might just have a little nap right here. We'll jump in the boat and have a nap. It's so hot. It's the thing, it's so hot here in Indonesia, you just sort of sleep in the afternoon, have 2 or 3 hours sleep. It's just so hot. Alright, nap time. That was a great feed. So happy. And that's it. I'm home. Oh. Just swim in from the boat. Anyway, I hope you like them couple of videos. In the next video, I went crabbing and I got a nice mud crab. So stay tuned for that. We'll be next week. Same time, same place. See you later.